Have you ever heard of EchoXen? This revolutionary formula promises to restore the health of your ears and end the nuisance of tinnitus. But does it really work? Stay with me until the end that I will reveal everything. EchoXen is a natural liquid supplement that acts directly on the connection between the ear and brain, helping to regain clarity of sounds and relieve tinnitus. In addition to improving hearing, EchoXen also promotes focus, memory and well-being thanks to its unique combination of 18 natural extracts and vitamins. Cada gota de EchoXen é rica em nutrientes que ajudam a proteger as células nervosas, melhorar a circulação e renovar os sinais auditivos. But attention! The EchoXen is not sold in pharmacies or marketplaces like Mercado Libre or eBay. The purchase can only be made through the official website of the manufacturer. To help you, I'll leave the link to the official page in the video description and pinned in the first comment. The most recommended kit is that of 6 bottles, with a discount of up to 38% and free shipping, chosen by 97% of customers. The EchoXen comes with a full 60-day warranty. If it doesn't work for you, you get your money back. I will leave the official link here in the description. Enjoy before the stock runs out.